These are the elevators at the Fairfield Inn by Marriott, Midtown Manhattan, near Penn Station. We're starting on the concourse level since the elevators open right up into the lobby. Hopefully we get this one right here. It's just staying on the ground floor. Actually, no, we're probably gonna get this one. Yep, here it is. Fixtures are pretty basic. These are just monitor fixtures. I'm actually staying in this hotel, so I got a key. If you weren't staying here, you would need the key to access any floor other than ground. Here we are at the roof. There's actually a pretty good view out here, although we're gonna come back there later. Here's your cab view. There's a good chance we're gonna stop on the way down, so I'm gonna make this quick. Or maybe we won't. Anyway, there are your fixtures. Yeah, looks like we're going non-stop. Nice. I think here's your phone. No, actually those are just key switches. Alright, let's send this one up. Let's try to get one of the other elevators. Also, if you look at the map, you can see that this is Bank P. I'm guessing P for passenger, because it looks like there's a service over there. Although, as you can see, it's to the left, and all the stairs are an employees only section. Also, we got the same car again, so I'm gonna send this one up higher. Now, hopefully, we get another one. That one's all the way up to the top. Alright, here we are in the lobby. This is actually a pretty narrow building, so it makes sense as to why the lobby is like one of the only things on this floor. I think there's only 12 rooms on each floor, if even that many. Here we are at the roof. Let's get a little view. So yeah, as you can see, we're here 24 stories up. There's Lower Manhattan. You can see the World Trade Center right there in the middle. It's a tall one. And then you would be able to see the Empire State, but I think that building with the one on it is blocking it. Actually, you might be able to see it like right behind. Yeah. So, and I'm not sure what these buildings are, but I guess they're brand new. They're working on that one right there. But yeah, there's not really a whole lot up here. I think there's a rooftop bar, but it's not open because we're here in the morning. Yeah, as you see, you don't need a key card to access the ground floor, but that would make sense. So anyway, we're headed down. And there's the front desk. Anyway, that'll be it.